Looking for the perfect honeymoon destination? Welcome to our grand tour of 24 exceptional spots around the world, each packed with romance and adventure. Be it the enchanting landscapes of Santorini, the serene beaches of Zanzibar, or the timeless charm of Paris, we've got you covered. These destinations aren't just places, they're the starting points for your new life, brimming with memories waiting to be made. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey across the globe. First stop, enchanting Asia. Let's begin our romantic getaway in the serene landscapes of Krabi, Thailand. Imagine yourself nestled in the heart of lush greenery, with towering limestone cliffs and pristine beaches as your backdrop. Here, love blossoms amidst the tranquil beauty of nature. From exploring mysterious caves and hidden lagoons to indulging in a relaxing Thai massage, Krabi is a haven for couples seeking a blend of adventure and relaxation. Now, let's turn our gaze to the mythical allure of Bali, Indonesia. This island paradise captivates with its stunning beaches, verdant rice terraces, and majestic temples. Bali is more than just a destination, it's a mood, an aspiration, a tropical state of mind. Here, romance takes on a mystical dimension as you immerse in the island's rich culture and traditions. Picture yourself and your partner witnessing a breathtaking sunset at Tanah Lot Temple or exploring the ancient ruins of Ubud. And let's not forget the mouth-watering Balinese cuisine, a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Both Krabi and Bali offer a unique blend of culture and beauty, creating an enchanting atmosphere that inspires love and connection. These are places where you can lose yourself in the moment, creating memories that will last a lifetime. So, if you're looking for a romantic getaway that combines natural beauty, cultural richness, and a dash of adventure, look no further. Asia's charm is undeniable. It's a continent that captivates with its diversity, its vibrancy, and its serene landscapes. And whether you're exploring the lush jungles of Thailand or the stunning beaches of Bali, you're sure to find something that speaks to your heart. So, are you ready to embark on this romantic adventure? To explore enchanting landscapes, immerse in rich cultures, and create unforgettable memories? Because that's what awaits you in Asia. Certainly, Asia's charm offers a perfect start to a romantic adventure. Next, let's traverse the epic landscapes of Europe. Imagine, if you will, the island of Santorini, Greece. Picture the gleaming white buildings clinging to the cliffside, their blue domes mirroring the azure skies above. This is a place where the sunsets paint the sky in hues of pink and orange, creating a breathtaking spectacle that has been the muse of artists for generations. And then there's the cuisine, a mouth-watering symphony of flavors that marry the fresh produce of the Mediterranean with traditional Greek culinary techniques. From Greece, we journey to Italy, to the eternal city of Rome, a city where history lives and breathes in every corner. Walk through the ancient streets and you'll be stepping in the footprints of emperors and gladiators. The aroma of fresh pasta and rich, hearty sauces waft from small trattorias, a testament to Italy's world-renowned cuisine. Next, we find ourselves in the heart of Europe, Vienna, Austria, a city that is a perfect blend of old-world charm and modern sophistication. Vienna is a city of music, with the melodies of Mozart and Beethoven still echoing through its grand concert halls. The Viennese coffee houses, with their decadent pastries and robust coffees, offer a delightful respite from the day's adventures. Finally, we arrive in Mallorca, Spain, a hidden gem nestled in the Mediterranean Sea. This island paradise boasts stunning beaches, vibrant markets, and an impressive Gothic cathedral that stands as a testament to the island's rich history. The cuisine here is as diverse as the landscape, with fresh seafood, succulent meats, and locally grown fruits and vegetables taking center stage. From the sun-kissed beaches of Santorini to the historic streets of Rome, the grand concert halls of Vienna to the vibrant markets of Mallorca, Europe offers a tapestry of experiences that cater to every kind of romantic getaway. Each destination is steeped in history and culture, offering newlyweds a chance to create their own timeless love stories. Europe's romantic allure is undoubtedly hard to resist. Now, imagine being marooned in the Caribbean and Pacific paradises. From the moment you set foot in Grenada, the Caribbean oasis, you'll be enveloped in a laid-back atmosphere that is simply contagious. Picture this, lounging on sun-drenched beaches, sipping on a refreshing cocktail, with the gentle rhythm of calypso music playing in the background. Granada's charm lies not just in its postcard-perfect scenery, but also in its warm, welcoming locals who are always ready to share a story or a dance. Next, we journey to the idyllic Turks and Caicos, where the turquoise waters are as clear as crystal and the beaches are as white as snow. This stunning archipelago is a veritable paradise, offering a unique blend of tranquility and adventure. From exploring the vibrant coral reefs to indulging in a romantic beachside dinner, the Turks and Caicos never cease to amaze. Then, we find ourselves in Fiji, a remote paradise in the heart of the South Pacific. Here, time seems to stand still, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the breathtaking beauty of the islands. From the lush rainforests to the pristine beaches, each corner of Fiji is a sight to behold. But what truly sets Fiji apart is its vibrant culture, filled with traditional music, dance, and the world-famous Fijian hospitality. And finally, let's not forget the sun-kissed paradise of Aruba, with its powdery white beaches, clear azure waters, and a year-round tropical climate. Aruba is truly a slice of heaven on earth. Whether you're watching the sunset over the Caribbean Sea or exploring the island's vibrant nightlife, Aruba promises an experience like no other. So, whether you're a thrill seeker, a nature lover, or simply in search of a peaceful retreat, the Caribbean and Pacific paradises have something for everyone. From the laid-back atmosphere of Grenada to the idyllic Turks and Caicos, the remote paradise of Fiji, and the sun-kissed paradise of Aruba, each destination offers a unique blend of romance, adventure, and unforgettable experiences. These paradises promise an unforgettable honeymoon experience. Finally, let's end our journey in the City of Love. Paris, France, home to the iconic Eiffel Tower, the breathtaking Louvre, and the romantic Seine River. The city's charm seeps through every cobblestone street, every quaint cafe, every historic monument. This is a city that breathes romance, where love stories have been written and rewritten for centuries. Imagine strolling hand in hand along the River Seine, sharing a sweet crepe under the shade of a Parisian cafe, or stealing a kiss atop the Eiffel Tower as the city lights twinkle below. Every corner of Paris whispers tales of timeless romance, making it an ideal destination for couples looking to create their own love story. The city's gastronomy is a love affair in itself. From mouth-watering croissants and robust cheeses to world-class wines, Paris offers a culinary journey that tantalizes the senses and warms the heart. And let's not forget the allure of Parisian art and culture. The city boasts a rich tapestry of history and creativity, visible in its grand museums, elegant architecture, and vibrant neighborhoods. The charm of Paris lies in its ability to blend the old with the new, the traditional with the contemporary, and the familiar with the unexpected. It's a city that embraces love in all its forms and invites you to do the same. Indeed, Paris is the perfect place to end our journey and start your new life together. And now, dear viewers, it's time for you to start your own journey. Whether it's Asia's charm, Europe's romance, or the paradise of the Caribbean and Pacific, the world is your oyster, waiting to be explored. And remember, every journey begins with a single step. So why not take that step with us? Here at Big Bong Theory, we're committed to bringing you the best of the world, one video at a time. We invite you to take part in our travel community, to share your stories, your experiences, and your dreams. If you've enjoyed this journey with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on our next adventure. Your next chapter is just a click away. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel, Big Bong Theory, for more videos and information. Let's discover the wonders of the world together. The world is full of unexplored corners and hidden gems, and we can't wait to explore them with you. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and let's set off on an unforgettable journey. Until then, bon voyage. Before we wrap up, we want to remind you again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Big Bong Theory. We've got plenty more adventures, plenty more sights, sounds, and experiences from around the world lined up for you. Click that subscribe button and you won't miss a thing. We'll be your window to the world, your guide to the unknown, your ticket to the greatest show on earth. And remember, this isn't just our journey, it's yours as well. We want to hear from you. Share your travel stories, your favorite places, your bucket list destinations. Let's build a community of explorers, a tribe of travelers, a family of adventurers. So hit that subscribe button, join the Big Bong Theory family, and let's set off on our next adventure together. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and always keep traveling.